brushless motor drone. This is a highly complex drone that we're reviewing today. It comes with a 4K Ultra HD camera along with a real-time transmission. The camera has a 90-degree adjustable shock absorbing tool and a 4,000 feet control distance. Not to mention a 360 roll and diverse flight modes, filter modes, and music modes with this drone. The batteries within the drone have a 40-minute endurance hold for the charge and have accessible accessories inside this package here. Another cool thing about this drone is it has a brushless motor, precise optimal flow, positioning, and dependable air pressure altitude hold. So here's the remote. Everything that you are going to need to operate this drone on is on this remote. Does require batteries in the back here. You just gotta unscrew it and put the batteries in there. And everything, like I said, everything that you're going to need is going to be in this package. Here's the rechargeable battery. The other battery is inside here, and it just fits in the back here. You can pull it out very easy. This here. This is the top here. This can come undone as well. You just pop it out like that. Carefully remove the inside here, and you can put it in there. And then when you're done with it, you can fold it like that.